Dog.
Oh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall.
Yeah. Hey everyone, we're gonna do some unboxing from
835.
835. It's I know it's Loungefly. There's small shops online now that Loungefly will give them exclusive. So we're gonna see the first exclusive that they have is the Willy Wonka. So when I was trying to order it's sold out anyway. So I think I got a Eeyore.
A backpack or like a...
The mini Loungefly, yeah.
It's a backpack? Okay.
So supporting small online business. So actually now they have...
Oh, Snoopy. It's Christmas.
Oh,
Oh, it's 2 bags.
2 bags.
What's this? Okay. Oh, look, they got cats.
So, okay. I think I got it.
What's this one? Oh, it's a Mickey. It's a clock.
That's cool.
Okay. Crossbody.
Okay.
And then a peanut Loungefly.
It's sold out. Only I found it in 835. 835. I love Snoopy. So I think we have another Snoopy
Bag?
Then we have to compare. We have to compare it.
We do?
Yeah, it's the one that's laying
Oh,
down.
like the house? Oh, no.
Yeah.
It's a backpack or a handbag?
It's a
Because they have a bag that's just like this.
Yeah.
Oh, without the light. Okay, so this is Peanut. Loungefly has a plaque.
It's what they call placement bag, but I like it because you could see Mickey, Snoopy. It's like a placement. Yeah, you could see. It's cool. They call it like a placement bag.
Gold hardware.
So
It looks blue. Oh, it's like
Christmas.
snowflakes and music notes.
So there we go. Okay, and it's gold hardware.
Yeah. Oh, there's the
Yeah, the Santa. I like the way the
Oh, there's more to the print. There's more to the print. I see Woodstock in the print.
Oh, okay. The music note.
Music notes. Woodstock.
Remember, I think on Christmas we have the dancing
Oh yeah, the Snoopy's.
Snoopy. And it has
Oh, a little small zippered pocket.
zipper pocket. Ooh, look in there, and it's deep. It's deep. Zipper pocket. So I like it. It looks cool.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay.
So it has
Oh, what's in the back? Anything in the back?
2.
Just the print.
Oh,
yeah.
this one doesn't have the.
Oh, no side pocket.
No side pocket, but it has an inside pocket. And you could see, I like the way the placement, see? Yeah.
Red back straps. Gold hardware. Okay. Next one we have is the Mickey.
This one, they're not exclusive to them, but it's hard to find now. And I like Mickey, and this one is a crossbody. So it's not a backpack.
Not the usual.
Not the usual backpack.
Not the usual what you get. Well, we
okay.
have wristlets, but it looks like a backpack. Oh, that's this.
It's moving.
Yeah.
It moved.
Oh wait, where's the plaque? Yeah, Disney black.
Loungefly.
Gold hardware again.
Oh, and then it has
It's like a black crossbody strap.
And the only thing I like, because nowadays I like the thick strap. You could get a thick strap.
Oh yeah, you can
To
replace
change,
it. It's
you
not like it's
replace it.
stuck. What's the print?
It's a pretty.
Oh, Mickey. Like all the different variants.
Like the steamboat and
The wizard. And there's a zipper pocket. Is there another one? Oh, there's another pocket.
so there's two.
But not zippered. It's like a
Just
elastic pocket, and then there's a zipper pocket.
Yeah, they're cool. It doesn't, you know. And it's actually was on. I think I got a coupon or code with them, so that's good. Look at that.
Okay, and we'll pause. Okay, next box.
And I think this is their exclusive that I was able to get.
Oh, so those weren't exclusive?
No, those were not exclusive, but I could only find them
There? Because they're sold out?
And it's also the price
On
is
the other
reasonable.
places.
Yeah, it has
Other places
reasonable.
are sold out. The
Yeah.
Snoopy and the clock Mickey.
Yeah, it's hard to find. That's why sometimes you
Oh, it's black. It's a box.
Oh,
It comes in a box.
in a box.
Wait, there's like a ribbon. Okay,
Okay,
slide it.
so this is their exclusive. So maybe
Flip it.
okay, you flip it. Ooh, packaging was good.
Oh, it comes in a box. That's cute.
Yeah, it's a. I pre-ordered it. It's a Loungefly Eeyore mini backpack Eeyore exclusive. So I pre-ordered it last year. So, but I like this. Ooh, it's like fancy. Ooh. Oh, and they even have a bag.
Oh! Wow.
Like a. Oh,
They have a dust bag.
dust bag. Huh. And they're not that expensive.
This one's cool.
Oh, I you know, this one I pre-ordered. You just see it on the, you know,
Oh,
on
it's
their
like a
website.
magnet. The box, okay.
I like the packaging, so now I know it's worth the
Why?
pre-order.
Oh, I thought you were saying it's more expensive.
No, it's not. It's
Same
the same
regular?
price. Okay. Now this one is sold out too.
Looks cute.
The color.
That's cute.
Look at that.
I already like the plaque. It's pink.
Look at
Oh,
that.
the zipper's his tail.
Look at that. It just looks cool.
Oh, she likes this one. She's looking at this one. She likes this one. This is like black, or what do you call it, gunmetal hardware.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this has pockets.
Pockets in there.
2 pockets.
And it's the box and then
Wait, let's see.
oh, this one
Here, open it.
here.
I like the hint of pink.
Yeah.
Oh, the print inside's pink. So I think it's like this.
Uh-huh.
Print of this inside, but pink.
And it's cool. I don't know. It's the gunmetal, right?
I think it's gunmetal.
Okay,
Stripes.
just
Oh, there's
try.
some pink here, hidden pink. Hints of pink, I mean.
And yeah, I like it's like kind of like oh, there.
I think I like this one.
You like this?
Out of the 3, this one is.
No, I like it because it looks, you know, they have a box, they have. Okay, there we go.
Oh, no inside pocket. No inside pocket.
Yeah.
But the print's pretty. It's like this, but the print. Okay.
So that.
Maybe should we take it? Oh, it has the tail. The bird. It
Oh,
looks
it's
cute.
stuck. Oh, yeah.
Okay, pause. Okay, we got the plastic off. I really like it. It's so cute. So fuzzy. Okay, you want to bring them all? Here?
Yeah, so this one is the top dog.
Oh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall.
Yeah.
It's gonna fall.
There.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
They usually always fall back. Out of the 3,
I actually like.
I like the Eeyore.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Added the 3.
How about you, Andy? What did you like?
I think he's falling asleep.
So this is cute.
I really like
looks
that
classy
one.
and everything. And
The
it
box,
has a dust
the
bag.
bag. Was that their first? Oh no.
No, it's a Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka's their first exclusive.
They have like a crossbody.
A backpack?
Then there's and then the Willy Wonka. If you got a golden ticket on the bag, you get $100 off on their site. So the golden ticket. Remember the Willy Wonka, the golden ticket. Yeah. So actually, I wasn't able to get the Willy Wonka. It's sold out.
Okay, the camera will get it. So don't forget to comment which bag you like. Don't forget to subscribe if you like.
Subscribe.
Oh no! Don't forget to like the video if you like the video. And then if you like the video, if you want to, you can subscribe to this channel to see more of these kind of unboxings. Yeah, we're more of an unboxing channel.
Unboxing,
Funko,
Loungefly, or our other collection like Swatch or shoes.
Yes.
And also we do gaming.
When we stream, we do some games. So far, we done Overcooked and Animal Crossing.
And the things I rather do stream, talking to y'all guys while do the gaming. So it's not that,
Yeah. So hit the notification if you want, so you get notified when we're streaming, and you could, talk, ask questions or anything.
Yeah, ask questions. We're gonna try because I think when she get busy, that I might stream unboxing, so I don't have to do the editing, editing and everything. But yeah, so
okay, thanks for watching.
Thank you, Andy Star.
And done.